Hi, welcome to Coding Bird. E-commerce is one of the most fastest growing online platform in the world right now. Most of the businessmen converting their existing store to online store, and there is millions of people dreaming to start their business with e-commerce. For those who are dreaming to start their business in online and they have not enough money and logistics support to create a website. Presenting 5 multipurpose WordPress e-commerce theme for you guys. In my opinion, those theme is really masterclass and perfect for every single e-commerce business you want to run in online. Before begin, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further update. Number 5. The Gem. The Gem is most powerful multi-purpose creative high-performance WordPress e-commerce theme I see ever. With 200 plus creative template and 70 plus built-in creative concept, make this theme is completely different than others. The Gem is truly a high-performance theme and it has perfect SEO-friendly code. Unlimited creativity with WooCommerce Visual Composer with premium slider revolution is completely free. There is you will save almost $71. That is huge. And for those everything, the theme has 34,982 sales and this $59 theme will be extremely helpful for your business. The Gem is now number 10. Number 4. The Hangar. The Hangar is versatile e-commerce WordPress theme for WooCommerce. It's really amazing. I saw so many good themes in the marketplace, but this one is truly great. This theme has much better user interface and it has good, clear and clean design. The theme will provide you full documentation and video guide that you can customize your theme and website. It has multiple language setup and currency conversion rate. Full responsive design that will superbly support any kind of mobile layout. Same as others theme, it has search engine optimization and fast loading that built for better performance. The theme is highlighted for e-commerce and WooCommerce that you can convert your existing store to online store, and its price is $69. That's look like little high, but truly it will be amazed you. Number 3. Callias. Callias is a creative multipurpose WordPress e-commerce theme. 65 plus different design and demo with 41,000 plus sales. That's huge. That kind of sales volume just inform you that the theme is really great. Callias is completely responsive and one-click demo installation it has. Also it has drag and drop page builder that ensure you that you have no need to learn coding. The theme is used Visual Builder plugin which is free of cost for you. There is Revolution Slider 6 which will help you to build your website properly. Just browse Callias, there is 65 different demo. You can choose yourself your own. I think you are in right way to build your desired website. Number 2. Breeze. Breeze is another masterclass creative multipurpose WordPress theme. Till today it has 117k sales and is still counting. Theme is 100% responsive with very much beautiful design font to end. Once you buy this theme, you will get 376 plus demo access that ensure you that you will able to design your website yourself. The theme is built with 4 different powerful plugins: Visual Composer, Revolution Slider, Layer Slider, Timetable plugin. Those every plugin is highly useful for every single website. I personally saw so many themes in the marketplace, but no one can compare with this one. Do you have any confusion about this theme? Just click the link below and know your self details. You can use this theme not just for e-commerce, it's available for every kind of business, even portfolio too. Number 1. Larsen. Larsen is another great multi-purpose responsive WooCommerce theme. The theme can build any type of website you want. This $59 theme is like magic. You can customize anything with live theme option panel and drag and drop header builder. There is one-click demo installation for your better understanding. It is the best-selling WooCommerce theme in the marketplace. The Larsen Studio is a really great large online library, predefined layouts and sections are ready to be inserted into your Larsen site. There is available 300 plus predefined layout and sections that will help you to build your better website. The theme got 100k customer satisfaction around the world. That is not joking. I have added all the themes link below. Don't waste your time, just go to the link below and build your website. If there is any problem to create your website, just contact me. I have added my email ID in the description section below. For any purpose, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon. See you next.